How to fix invalid destination address on Samsung A16. So let's start the video. First of all, turn on or off your flight mode, then open settings and click on connection. After clicking on connection, you can see the option flight mode. Now turn on or off your flight mode. After turning on or off your flight mode, then go back and scroll down and click on apps. After clicking on apps, then scroll down and open messages app and then click on storage. After clicking on storage, then clear your app cache data. After clear app cache data, then go back and open general management. In general management, you can see the option reset. Now click on reset and then reset your mobile network settings. After reset your mobile network settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.